Let me show you the working of Orthodox Dynamic Object and Character Recognition Technology Engine. So we are going to first browse the file to this PDF invoice. Okay, just let me upload the PDF invoice over here and just process the beta. Once I process the beta, here with the beta has been fetched dynamically through the invoice. Now, next we are going with the PNG format, and I'm just uploading the PNG format over here. And again, just process the beta from even the PNG images. Now you can see the beta is being fetched dynamically to the PNG even. And the next part is you can even download the PDF out of it, or if you want the JSON file, even you can download that. And if you want any text file also, you can download that. So this is the complete working of Dynamic OCR engine. Thank you. Welcome to Techalo Solutions. This is the world's first market quiz for innovation, information, and services. First, you need to register by entering your mobile number. In picking a verification code, just enter the verification code. Either select buyer, innovator, or the investor. Let's click on the buyer option. Once you click on the buyer option, you could see the complete dashboard. In the product categories, we have the OCR engine related to all of us. So once we click on the OCR, it will be directly redirected to the Optic and Editmation Technology engine. Now, once we go back, we can see that under the products, we have three options, that is buy in and invest. So if the innovator wants to sell his product, that is B2C, he can just list out its product over here. And the third option is if the reseller wants to buy in bulk and resell that particular product, he can even do that. We also have the invest button over here. If the innovator requires the investment from investors, he can choose that option. Secondly, we have the information sector where we have like, comment, and connect options. So it will be acting as a social media platform. And third, we have the services sections where you can see that we already have integrated our robotic process automation technology as a service. Thank you.